beautiful souls. My name is Jem. Welcome to a commentary channel. So, the title of my video, Why is Nature So Cruel? The role of suffering in the infinite game of life. If you've ever watched nature and asked, why is it so cruel? You are not alone. A zebra slowly dying from starvation or torn apart by wild dogs. A lion cub killed by the new male in the pride. Even in our homes, animals we love can suffer, die, or harm others. We ask, how can this be part of divine love? But today, I want to offer a different lens, a spiritual one. What I have channeled and what resonates with my soul is this. Everything is a game, a divine simulation, a cosmic experiment of contrast and choice. The source, the infinite I/we, created everything to know itself. And so, it created all roles, not just the noble, peaceful, beautiful ones, but also the predator, the prey, the starving, the thriving, the cruel, and the kind. Because without pain, how do we truly understand peace? Without loss, how do we value love? That zebra's soul, it chose the role. The lion's soul, it chose that role too. Not because the universe is cruel, but because it is curious. Because every single possibility is sacred and every experience feeds back into the whole. We are all of those things in different incarnations, different games. We have been the blade of grass, the antelope, the fire, the wind, the human, the hunter, the hunted, the alien, the demon. There are infinite games. In some of them, pain doesn't even exist. Everything is bliss. Everything is telepathic, instant, loving. In some realities, there's no death, no hierarchy, no hunger. But this earth, this simulation, is one of deep contrast, where empathy is born through challenge, where souls evolve through immersion in limitation. So, when we witness the cruelty of nature, it's not cruelty from level of the soul. It's only perceived cruelty from the human mind, because we feel, we care, and we grieve. And that's okay. Grieve if you need to. Feel it all. But then remember, this is a game of roles. And one day, when we return to the source, we will remember that nothing was ever lost. Not one life, not one breath, not one cry went unheard. So, if you've asked, why would God allow this? The answer might be because we are God, exploring what it is to be not God, to see ourselves reflected in every creature, every outcome, every end, and every beginning. We are not here to fix the game. We're here to remember it's a game and to play it with compassion. Thank you for walking this path with me. Again, if this video has resonated with you, please share it and please comment below. I love comments. Thank you again for watching. Please be kind to each other and to yourselves. Enjoy your Sunday. Love, light and blessings. Goodbye from Jem.